What's going on, guys? It's your boy Fox the Ice King. Gotcha, this is recording? Yeah, it is. Alright, so what's gonna happen today, we are going to be playing this game called Don't Press the Button 3. Now, I played this on Xbox before, and it's actually pretty cool. Gotta wait. Bam. Gotta wait for someone to press the button. No, I want to press the button. I have no idea what just happened. A huge block just destroyed everyone. Is that Twinkie Winky? Oh my god. There's two of them. Go on top of here. Go on top of here. That's Tinky Winky. Bruh. Teletubbies. Yo. Who remembers the Teletubbies days? Man, those were the days. Now they're like scary and stuff, so, you know, that's cool. Man, you guys ain't supposed to be killers. You guys are supposed to be, like, happy. Whoa! Oh my god, the game glitched. One's still here. You gotta run for your life, man. Run! Ah! Bruh. This man is so dangerous. Ah! Bro, you just spawned on him. That's what happens. Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes. Yes. Get destroyed, Tinky Winky. Freaking get hit by my balls. Yeah. That's right. Dude, the guy didn't even get hit once. But I gotta find something to kill him. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh no. And now as you can see here, we are currently flying for fun. And now we're in the ground. And now we're glitching. And now I can see someone's feet. They're smelly. Put on some shoes. No, no, run, run, run. Wow. I'm just going to take advantage of this. Okay, yeah. Okay. Bro. He's just sitting there waiting for us. Anyway. It's been your boy, Foxy Ice King. I gotta make 2 more videos because I said I was gonna grind, so. See you guys in the next video. Peace!